Hello, hi, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. So, 13th of December current affairs we are going to discuss today in the session. I'll start the session quickly. Welcome to Guidely, everyone. If you're watching the session for the first time, do watch till end. You will be able to get updated regarding all the current affairs news in time. So my all PDF will be available in this Telegram group. You can join the group to get connected with me. One-stop solution for the preparation of your general awareness, banking awareness, current affairs is GA Hustle batch. So if you're targeting the upcoming SBI PO and clerk examination, to join the GA Hustle batch. And IBPS PO interview batch classes will be started from Monday onwards. Regularly, we'll be doing the session once in a day. And till your result, I'll try to complete all the syllabus on time, so we can do the proper practice with 3 mock interview within this batch. You can join the batch without hesitation today itself. Let's see the homework questions which I have given you in the last session. कि homework के questions क्या थे वो check कर लेते हैं. Question number 1 was the primary purpose of money market is. So money market is a short term market which duration is maximum 1 year. It is regulated by Reserve Bank of India and main target is facilitating the short term borrowing and lending facility within the market. So it is a market with the maturity period of 1 year. 1 year का duration होता है. What is the typical feature of commercial paper? So commercial paper are issues by corporations in India. They are unsecured debt instruments. They are not secure. They are issued by the private corporations in India. That is why commercial paper is risky. Commercial paper maturity period is 7 days to 1 year. Its amount is 5 lakh rupee. Means minimum 5 lakh rupee is required for the making investment into commercial paper. Which of the following is considered as highly safe money market instrument? So corporate bond, equity share, treasury bill, debenture, mutual fund. T-bills. Treasury bills in India issues by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of Government of India. These are the type of sovereign bonds which are 100% guaranteed by the Government of India. There are 3 type of treasury bill: T91, T182 and T364. So these are the 3 maturity period and 3 different types of treasury bill. So correct answer हो जाएगा आपका treasury bill. Our TNA heroes Shiv Kishore, Nitish, after that Rachna, Ajit, Kirti, then Aishwarya and Siddharth. Perfect guys. Venkatesh, Narsimha and Satish, Sai, Joshi, Athira, Harsha, Shraddha, Sarita, all of you guys, thank you for answer. Let's see the questions for tomorrow, for this session, which you need to answer in the comment box. What is the maximum transaction limit of IMPS? Question number 2. What is the primary difference between RDGS and NEFT? Point number 3. Question number 3. What is the maximum transaction limit of NEFT? So these are the 3 questions. Let's move toward the news of the day. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी में हूँ, आपको लग रहा होगा कि आज इतना स्पीड में क्यों चल रहा है सेशन. I am not live at present. I have recorded the session yesterday late night because I am traveling currently to some place. So I thought that I'll make update to all of you regarding the news of today, right? Instead of missing that news. So news number 1 is from the government securities. Reserve Bank of India on behalf of Government of India issues the government bond. These are the bonds with the floating rate. Floating rate interest means where the rate of interest vary. It can increase, it can decrease after a fixed maturity period. So Reserve Bank of India decided the rate of interest will be 7.59%. 7.59% for the half year from December till June. So for the duration of 6 months, next 6 months, the rate of interest is going to be 7.59% on this bond. Floating rate bond are the saving bonds with the lock-in period of 7 years. 7 years का lock-in period है. It means once you invested money, you cannot take your amount back before the maturity period. If government will do the buyback, then only it is possible. We cannot raise the request or we cannot raise the demand from our side that we need our money back. There is a lock-in period of 7 years. In case of senior citizen, it is 6 years. Those who have age between 60 to 70, it is a 5 year. It is 5 year lock-in period in case of the senior citizen between 70 to 80, and for the super senior citizen, age above 80, this lock-in period is 4 years. So this is the lock-in period for everyone. Okay. Reserve Bank of India reset it twice in a year, means floating rate, this rate of interest can increase or decrease in every 6 months. In every 6 months, the rate of interest can be decided. Bond is a debt instrument by which government want to raise the fund from market for the short term or long term needs. So here government is raising the money for the duration of 7 years. 7 साल के लिए government fund raise कर रही है. Minimum amount to make investment is 1000 rupee and in the multiple of 1000 without any maximum investment limit. These bonds are the sovereign guarantee bonds, means government of India have the guarantee. These bonds are also called gilt bonds. इन्हें gilt bond भी कहा जाता है और gilt securities, gilt aged securities, gilt aged securities. These are 100% secure bond. Without any risk, we can make the investment into this. Now, this floating rate bonds are linked with NSC, National Savings Certificate, which is one of the another bond available in the post office. So NSC से link है. The rate of interest will be higher than NSC. NSC जो है उससे आपका rate of interest higher रहता है. So NSC से link करके इसको रखा हुआ है. Next है Reserve Bank of India announced to integrate FX retail platform with National Payment Corporation of India, Bharat Connect. It was announced in the monetary policy also. In the monetary policy discussion session, I have discussed it in depth. Today it came back to the news because RBI have proposed it now. So RBI announced in the monetary policy. Now RBI kept the proposal in front of NPCI. So what the news is about? There is a platform called FX Retail Platform. FX Retail Platform was launched in the year 2019. This platform provide investment and holding the currency in the foreign currency format or investment in the foreign currency format, in the foreign trade when you want to receive the funds in the foreign currency. In all of these things, this FX retail platform is helpful. Now RBI is proposing to link FX retail platform with Bharat Connect. Bharat Connect, which is a subsidiary of NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. Previously Bharat Connect was known as Bharat Bill Payment System. So FX retail will get connect with the Bharat Connect. So over the Bharat Connect platform, we will be able to get the facilities of making the investment in the foreign exchange. If I am owner of a micro, small, medium enterprises and I want to do the export and receive the payment in the form of US dollar. So I can receive the payment in the US dollar directly with the support of Bharat Connect application. This is what the advantage is going to be for me. This overall proposal was kept by Reserve Bank of India at the time of announcement of monetary policy in December 2024. Now it came to process. अभी इसको process में लाया गया है for the linkage purpose. Moving to the banking and financial news. ADB, Asian Development Bank. Tell me that how many members are there in ADB? If you know that, sir, there are 69 members. Which country became 69th member of ADB? फटाफट से बताइएगा chat box में. So Asian Development Bank and National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. It is the 5th All India financial institution in India. So in India we have 5 All India financial institutions like NABARD, Export Import Bank of India, SIDBI, Exim, ये वाले जो हैं, और one is your National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. So these are the All India financial institution. 5th number is नेशनल बैंक फॉर फाइनेंसिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट. ठीक है. एडीबी का 69th मेंबर कौन सा है आपका? इजराइल. करेक्ट है, इजराइल इज द 69th मेंबर. सो एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक एंड नेशनल बैंक फॉर फाइनेंसिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट, this organization which was recently formed by the government of India for the purpose of providing the finance facility to the infrastructure sector in India. These two organizations collaborated together to provide the technical assistance in the field of climate finance capabilities, that infrastructure sector which will not impact the environment negatively, infrastructure sector which will also help India to achieve the target of net zero carbon emission by the year 2070. So for such type of initiative, two organizations collaborated together. One is ADB, another one is National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. National Bank for Financing Infrastructure Development announced in the budget of 2021 by the finance minister. It was started as the 5th All India financial institution in India according to section 45L, section 45N of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. It is regulated by RBI. KV Kamath sir, who was the first chairperson of ब्रिक्स डेवलपमेंट बैंक, न्यू डेवलपमेंट बैंक के पहले चेयरपर्सन थे मिस्टर केवी कामत. केवी कामत सर इज द करंट चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नेशनल बैंक फॉर फाइनेंसिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट. बैंक स्टार्टेड विद द ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल ऑफ 1 लाख करोड़ एंड द पेड अप कैपिटल ऑफ 20,000 करोड़. तो ये हो गए डिटेल आपके नेशनल बैंक फॉर फाइनेंसिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड डेवलपमेंट के. आफ्टर दैट एडीबी, एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक, रिवाइज द जीडीपी ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ इंडिया to 6.5% for the current financial year and 7% for the next financial year. So previous prediction was 7%. तो ADB ने prediction कम किया है. From 7% ADB came down to 6.5% for the current financial year. ठीक है, current financial year के लिए. And 7.2% was the prediction previously for the next financial year, come down to 7%. Reason we know that recently the GDP rate of India for the quarter 2 came down to 5.4% according to NSO, National Statistical Office. And after that Reserve Bank of India also decreases their prediction to 6.6% where it was 7.2% previously. तो 7.2% RBI का prediction था, RBI ने खुद कम कर दिया, 6.6 कर दिया. So because of that other organizations are also decreasing the prediction of GDP rate of India. So ADB GDP rate revised, ADB revised the GDP prediction of India to 6.5% for the current financial year and 7% for the next financial year. Now those who are going for the upcoming examination like UICAO, guys, you need to be very much aware about these new rates. Why? Because if they will ask in the examination, updated rates will be the answer. You cannot give the answer based on the previous rate. तो updated rates आपके आंसर होंगे. Comment box में लिख देना. I'll create a table and provide you over the Telegram group only. Reliance Power launches renewable energy arm Reliance NU Energy as a new subsidiary of Reliance. So Reliance ने अपना एक नया subsidiary launch कर दिया है. Subsidiary name, company name is Reliance NU Energies. Reliance NU Energies will work in the field of renewable energy category. It will be led under Mr. Anil Ambani, and Mayank Bansal sir is going to be the CEO of company, and Rakesh Swarup sir is going to be the Chief Operating Officer of the company. It is going to be the new arm of Reliance Energy which will deal with the renewable energy sector. So this is a new company of Reliance which will act and work only in the field of renewable energy because it is created by Reliance. Definitely it is going to be a big company very soon. And Reliance NU Energy will work over the target of Government of India of 500 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030 and net zero carbon emission by 2070 and energy independent country by 2047. तो इन्हीं टारगेट्स के ऊपर काम करेगा आपका नया कंपनी भी. Now talking about the bankers and future banker and your safety, All India Bank Employee Association proposes, it is a proposal, 3-year ban on the account opening for customers who assaulted the bank branch staff. ऐसे कस्टमर जिसने बैंक ब्रांच के किसी भी कस्टमर, किसी भी एम्प्लॉय के साथ में बदतमीजी की है, असॉल्ट किया है, उन कस्टमर्स के ऊपर 3 ईयर का बैन लगा दिया जाए. They will not be able to hold the bank account anywhere in the bank in India. किसी भी बैंक में इंडिया में उनका अकाउंट ओपन ना हो पाए. So this is the proposal by All India Bank Employee Association. We have heard about the recent incidents multiple places that customers are losing their control and started fighting, even jumping over the branch employees. What employees will do? They already are there. Bankers are in heavy pressure. They are working a lot. There are lots of reasons behind that. One of the reason is re-KYC. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts were started in the year 2014, right? In 24, 10 years completed. All of them are doing re-KYC. Visit any public sector bank, especially SBI. You will be able to see a long queue in front of re-KYC. Why? 10 years. All the customers are required to do the re-KYC now. So in so much pressure, employees are working. Their safety is important. So this is a proposal at present. It will be accepted by Reserve Bank of India, then it will become a rule. So currently there is a proposal that 3-year ban will be imposed on the customer. They will not be able to hold the bank account if they will do any type of assault with the bank employees. Okay, so this is a proposal of All India Bank Employee Association. 20th of April 1946, this organization was founded. Chennai, Tamil Nadu is the headquarter. PhonePe introduced dengue malaria insurance insurance plan with the annual premium of 59 rupees. So dengue malaria insurance plan launch कर दिया है किसने? फोन पे ने. The plan will come with the comprehensive coverage of 1 lakh rupee medical expenditures in case of airborne diseases including dengue, malaria, such type of diseases. तो इनके लिए है. The plan is especially aiming for the people in the tier 2, tier 3 cities expected medical expenditure due to these diseases. So 1 year का plan होगा at 59 rupees. ठीक है, अच्छा है. So if the dengue malaria is more in your area, you can decide or you can suggest to the other people to go for this plan. For 59 rupees का है, launched by PhonePe. It will be available on the PhonePe application. तो PhonePe application पर ये plan आपका available होगा. ICICI Bank collaborated with Commonwealth Bank of Australia to boost the India-Australia business corridor. So ICICI Bank have collaborated with Commonwealth Bank of Australia will increase the export, import and the collaborations between the businessmen between India and Australia. MOU was signed by Mr. Rakesh Jha, Executive Director of ICICI Bank, and Mike Vancy, that is Group Executive of दिस कॉमनवेल्थ बैंक ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. इनके बीच में MOU साइन हुआ है. आते हैं आपके नेशनल इंटरनेशनल न्यूज की तरफ. सो खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम 2025 विल बी कंडक्टेड इन लेह एंड गुलमर्ग announced as a host. So Leh, Ladakh, Gulmarg, Jammu Kashmir announced as the host places, host cities. So Jammu Kashmir, Union Territory of Ladakh and UT of Jammu Kashmir, at both the place it will be conducted. Ladakh ICE event will be conducted from 23rd of January to 27th of January 2025. And snow event will be conducted in Jammu Kashmir, Gulmarg, in 22nd of February to 25th of February 2025. So in two phases it is going to be conducted. दो phase में आपका conduct होगा. Alongside with the youth games, Paralympic games and Khelo India University game. Now Khelo India Winter game is also attracting the more number of participants, more number of viewers. So it was started in the year 2020. ये जो आपका winter game है ना, it was started in 2020. फर्स्ट सीजन वॉज कंडक्टेड इन लेह गुलमर्ग में कंडक्ट हुआ था. विनर वॉज जम्मू कश्मीर. सेकेंड एडिशन 21 जम्मू कश्मीर सेम कॉमन. थर्ड वन गुलमर्ग जम्मू कश्मीर एंड जम्मू कश्मीर वॉज द विनर. फोर्थ वन अगेन लेह एंड फोर्थ वन वॉज कंडक्टेड अगेन इन लेह एंड गुलमर्ग. सर्विसेज, so services was the winner in the fourth edition, last one in 24, and 25th will be conducted again at Leh and Gulmarg. Venue is going to be same. Leh and Gulmarg are going to be the venue again. तो venue आपके पास same है. Winner we will see after the result. Power Grid partner with IIT Roorkee to establish the Center of Excellence. So Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, which is one of the Maharatna company, recently collaborated with IIT Roorkee. Under the corporate social responsibility, Power Grid will make the investment of 20.73 crore. 20.73 crore investment will be made by the Power Grid, and this amount will be utilized for the purpose of creating the Center of Excellence, a type of research center within the campus of IIT Roorkee. National Panchayat Award 2024 celebrating the rural governance and sustainable development. बहुत सारे details हैं नेशनल पंचायत अवार्ड के. Actually this award given every time in the month of April, but this year because of the general elections it was given in the month of December. अप्रैल की जगह दिसंबर में दिया जा रहा है. Most important part is award were announced by whom, or the awards were declared by whom. So it was given by President of India. President of India के presence में ये award दिए गए. Honorable President Draupadi Murmu have given this award in the presence of Union Panchayati Raj Minister Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh, also known as Lallan Singh. Award are according to the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992, by which the Panchayati Raj system got the constitutional status in India. Now there are lots of categories of award in this category. Even in the examination this question come, it is going to be difficult for you, all of you. It is going to be very difficult. You can remember that the awards were given by President of India, not by the Prime Minister of India. बाकी तो बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट है. एक बार आप यहाँ से कवर करना PDF से, and I'll try to put as much as possible MCQs based on that, so you will understand, okay, this based on this news what type of question you can expect. One more news, Payal Kapadia made history with the Golden Globe 2025 nomination. Golden Globe 2025 nomination for the Best Director, Best Non-English Motion Film. So 82nd Golden Globe 2025 award. Currently, Payal Kapadia film All We Imagine as the Light made history, became the first Indian film which is nominated as a Best Director. So Payal Kapadia short movie, that is a documentary, uh, recently nominated for the Golden Globe Award, 82nd Golden Globe Award of 2025 in the non-English film category. तो नाम याद रखना है डायरेक्टर का, पायल कपाड़िया is the name of the director. All We Imagine as Light is the name of the movie, and this movie as the Best Director Award category recently nominated to 82nd Golden Globe Award. और लास्ट है आपका यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ कवरेज डे, 12th of December को ऑब्जर्व होता है हर साल. This year theme was health, it's on government. This is the theme of 2024. Done from my side for the day. Again, I'll be live morning 8 a.m. on the Guidely YouTube channel on Monday morning. So do join on time and update your current affairs without any worries. Do like the session, share with your friends, and I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. Till that time, keep watching Guidely, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.